What is going on, traders? Welcome back to this week's installment on how to trade gold. I'm currently in a position right now. The position isn't going great because I'm in a buy, right? So I'm in a buy right now, and obviously as we can see, market is moving in the downward direction, which is not exactly what I wanted to be showing you guys, but this is total transparency in terms of my skill set as a trader. So I definitely want to be doing more of this moving forward, and because of how my life is currently set up, okay, this is the best trading style for me, which is a long-term approach, right? So in front of you right now, what we're aiming to do, okay, what we're aiming to do, especially in this trading series that I'm going to be doing with you all, is we're going to effectively be managing £50, right? So £50, which is UK currency, we're managing that, and we want to see if we can grow that as it stands right now. As you can see, I am in a loss. I have not been closed out, but I am in a loss, right? So the margin, opening margin for this particular account is £50. You can see that right here. Okay, I'm currently £4.80, well, £4 something in the red, so that's that right here. So as it stands, where do I think market is going to go right now? Well, market is pushing down, and I have a feeling that I'm about to be taken out. So we are looking at this. So this is the 1 hour chart that we're on right now, okay? And over here we have the daily, and as you can see, price is pushing all the way downwards. So I am going to need to consider jumping out, and I possibly might need to add a little bit more money on top of this one, just in case this one goes wrong. Just add a little bit more money on top of this one over here, just to make sure that I'm able to play the game. Now, if everything goes how I think it's gonna go, price should start to turn around and start to push back up again. That is what I'm thinking may happen. But however, market does what market wants to do, right? So as it stands, last week, so if we let's make this, which one is the best one to do? So let's do a daily on this one right now, okay? And then we bring it back. So last week, so this is Friday's candle over here, this candle right here, Friday, okay? So this was where the weekly high was set for us, okay? And I believe, if I was to go back, Friday, yep, and Monday, this level over here, this was the weekly low, okay, right? So I was kind of anticipating price to push up, right? That's why I basically jumped in this morning, and had I known what I now know, I probably would have gone in with a sell. I probably would have done that. But in this game, this is what happens, you know what I mean? You play the game, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. You take it on the chin, you roll with the punches, and you keep it moving. So that's how it stands right now in terms of how my trade is going. And obviously, going by what we're looking at right now, I wouldn't recommend you put in a trade doing what I've just done, right? So let's see what happens. And if I'm not closed out, this trade should be open tomorrow. If I am closed out, then naturally we're going to be opening up another position tomorrow, and we're going to be taking it from there. And this is going to be how we're going to be doing the analysis moving forward. Essentially, we're going to be doing live trade, where you're going to know I have a position in the markets before I'm telling you whatever it is that I'm telling you. You can see that I'm already in there, winning, losing, etc. You'll see it all. So on that note, if you find this content useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn on the notification, and you drop us a like. And with all of that said and done, I will see you all on the next one.